Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, your VPN account details, server address, and any shared secret or certificate. Once done, open Settings and tap General, then VPN. This is where you add a configuration. Make sure your iPhone 11 is updated and connected to Wi-Fi or cellular so the profile can validate. You're starting the process now, not preparing later, because missing credentials stops setup mid-step. Enter only correct server info to avoid redoing steps. You now choose the VPN type, ICAV2, IPsec, or L2TP, based on your provider's recommendation, because each handles authentication differently. Tap Add VPN configuration and fill description, server, remote ID, and your account name. These fields map the connection to the right endpoint. If your provider uses certificates, install the profile or import the cert first, otherwise enter the shared secret. Once complete, toggle Send All Traffic if you want all apps routed through the VPN. You finish by tapping Done, then switch the VPN slider to connect and watch the status icon appear in the status bar. This confirms a live tunnel. If it fails to connect, make sure the server address, username, password, and protocol match what your provider supplied, because small typos break the handshake. If problems persist, try reinstalling certificates or restarting the phone, and only reset network settings as a last resort after backing up saved passwords and profiles to avoid losing them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.